our 4-liter blender jar. First off, the overall dimensions. Without the cap cover, we have a height of 11.5 inches tall. Top radius measuring 7 inches. Coming to the bottom will be the blade to blend and mix your products. Coming to the side will be the numbers and volume that this blender jar can hold. 4 liters is the maximum, with the most being 5 liters. Interlockable twist cap, so whether it's closed or open, it will be locked in position, and on top will also be the removable steam cap. This blender jar can be purchased separately and can be used with the rest of our blenders. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.